then I have been appealing and I am making an appeal again that we don't want to do this and please withdraw the strike and let the services go. Whatever their differences are, we can sit across the table and finish. I will be instrumental, KTCL, everybody will be instrumental in helping whatever best we can. Any questions?
The proposal from Ola Uber has come.
No. See, I said, who's Ola Uber? They are like a company. Goa tourism has the capacity. Strong statement I am making. I will always say very useful because tourism is a destination not for an individual, not for somebody. It is for the destination. It is a destination which everybody should have this. And in case I will be after the Chief Minister that such service of Uber Ola should start. I am not saying Uber Ola should start, but such service of Uber Ola should start where involvement of other people will have to be done and hard action government will have to be taken. Otherwise, I will be very instrumental and vocal with my Chief Minister if this thing does not happen. Because every time we cannot be bowed down, the name of Goa cannot be spoiled. We spend crores of rupees in bringing Goa's name to a different level. A small petty issue like this brings a name to a structure. So I will personally be after the Chief Minister to start services like this.
Okay.
Thank you. And we have the support of the Honorable Chief Minister 100%. There is no doubt about the Honorable Chief Minister. He is committed that tomorrow no tourist should suffer because of this strike. And GTTC along with Department of Tourism, KTCL along with Department of Transport and Police Department are geared up to see at different locations. Our people will monitor from 7 o'clock in the morning till 7 o'clock and if required 10 o'clock also we will see. And we will see that people are not hampered in that, tourists are not hampered in any way. And we will monitor them everywhere. All our residences will be, with the help of the KTCL, our small buses, will be a pick-up point for any tourist destination. I will share and request all of the press to publish this so that people are aware. We have also published it on a KTCL website, on Department of Tourism website. Wherever possible, we are also going to help them out. But I think as Goa needs everybody, as Goa needs to continue tourism, म्हाका खबर आसा की हांव मायनिंग डिपेंडंट आसा म्हणजे मायनिंग एरियांतलो आमदार कोणे तरी इल्लीगल मायनिंग करून जी गोष्टी केल्ल्यो आज पासून आमचे ते लोक सफर जाता आज पासून ते काम चालू जायना म्हणजे माझ्या सांगपाचें कितें आसा की टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट प्रमोट करता टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट प्रमोट करता गव्हर्मेंटाक कितें टॅक्स येता नो डावट बट लोकली बेनिफीट जाता ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी बेनिफीट जाता फाल्यां अशें जावपाक जायना की बॅड नेम येता हें बॅड नेम येता हांव एकूच एक्झाम्पल दिता आमी विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ऑनरेबल MLA कालूस बाब ऑनरेबल MLA मिलिंद बाब आमी एकूच काउंटर आमी वी वेंट टू मॉनिटर एट आमचे क्रूज लायनर एट MPT we have handled almost 11 or 12 cruises now. So good positive feedback is coming world over. You can see the reviews on the website. I will give you share also with you. So this is one example where if we are, and those taxi fellows are also very happy. We are also behind them. We are supporting them. It is a teething, some small teething problems are there, but we are helping them, and over a period of time, because of their cooperation, या वर्षा 35 बोटी येताल्यो त्यो नेक्स्ट इयर ऑलरेडी बोट्स which were supposed to go to positive feedback which is being given by the cruise operating people. So this is what we as government, we as tourism department, we as KTCL want to be doing it. So once again I request the Tourist Taxi Association people not to be bowed down. If there is anything we can sort out and finish the differences, but not that tourists of Goa should suffer. As I already said, GTC's nodal agency, which is residencies, will be the pickup points. Along with that, 20 such cluster points are also made at different bus stops of Goa. So no need of worry for tourists. I only request the press people to tell this in the form of information on newspapers. We are also trying to see the best. मी लास्ट मिनटाक हांगा येयले म्हण तुमकां पुलीस अध्यक्ष देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आयज म्हजे वांगडा म्हजो विधानसभाचो कलीग आनी चेअरमॅन ऑफ कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड आमचो कालूस बाब तसोच डायरेक्टर ट्रान्सपोर्ट आनी मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर GTTC निखिल बाब तसोच KTCLचो मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर कम नेटो डायरेक्टर ऑफ टुरिझमाचो बाब ब्रिजेश. The reason for calling this press conference is very simple. Is unfortunately we have to intervene. So itari malasta palya taxi strike for Goa. Itari एक आमकां कोडोनी अशी येयल्या आनी गव्हर्मेंट हॅज ऑल्सो एक्टेड ऑन दॅम बाय डिक्लेरिंग ESMA एसेन्शियल सर्विसीस. बट दॅट इज वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. हांव म्हाज्या टॅक्सी भावा कडेन विनंती करता की आमी एटलिस्ट हांव आमचे विधानसभेचे कलीग चीफ मिनिस्टर कितल्योश्यो गोश्टी तेंचे फुडें व्हरपाक करता आनी विनंती करता की तेणी फाल्यां टॅक्सी स्ट्रायक करचो न्ही. आनी टॅक्सी स्ट्रायक करचो न्ही कित्याक आमी सगळ्यांच ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर, आमचे मिनिस्टर ऑफ ट्युरिजम, मिनिस्टर आमचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट हॅज बीन ऑलवेज तांकां कितें जाय तें हेल्प करपाक सोदता. एक्चुअली आय वॉज ऑलवेज व्हेरी वोकल की आमी खंय तरी उबर टायप आनी आमी ओला टायप गोवा ट्युरिजमाचो ॲप करून अशें फुडें व्हरपाक. पूण इवन ऑनरेबल CM सांगतरी आमी तें फुडें व्हरोना. पूण हें व्हरोना कित्याक कारण की आमचे ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी भावांक बिजनस जावचो. हांवें ऑल्सो ऑन रिकॉर्ड आय हॅव ऑलवेज बीन देर की बिजनस तुमकां जायना दिसता जाल्यार कम ऑन बोर्ड. हांव तुका एश्योर करता की 700 रुपया मिनिमम तुमकां हांव भाडें दिता. इट इज ऑलवेज ऑन द बोर्ड. सो हे सगळे जर सर्विसीस आमी दिवपाक शकता गव्हर्मेंट जाल्यार फाल्यां म्हाका हे टॅक्सीवाले आमचे भाव कित्याक ते वचपाक सोदता म्हाका खबर ना. टॅक्सी आसपाकूच जाय. स्पीड गव्हर्नर म्हणटा पळय हो विशय स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचो न्ही. म्हजे कडेन म्हाजे धाकट्यो गाडयो आसा, म्हाजे कामाक लागून चलता कमर्शियल गाडयो, टाटा मोबायल बी तसल्यो गाडयो, तांकां आमकां स्पीड गव्हर्नर लागून पडलो. आमचे बसी जे आसा KTCचे बसी, आमचे म्हजे पर्सनल बसी आहा स्पीड लागून पडलो. ट्रकांक आमचे स्पीड सगळें लायला. सो भावांचे आमचे म्हाका दिसता दे शूड ऑल्सो फॉलो डायरेक्टिव्ज लॉ आनी अशें करून करपाक जायना. आज पयलीं सुद्दां आमी ट्राय करता की गोंयचें नांव आमी फुडें व्हरपाक. आमी खुबशे गोश्टी करता. आमचो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर आतां डेव्हलप करपाक गोंयचो ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टर ट्राय करता आनी ट्युरिजम वाडटा आनी असल्यो गोश्टी जाता तेन्ना आमचें नांव पेड्यार जाता. आनी ह्यो गोश्टी जावच्यो न्ही म्हूण हांव तांकां सगळ्यांक अपील करता. डिफरन्सीस आनी कितें आसा ते सॉर्ट आउट करपाक जाता. वी कॅन ऑलवेज बी विथ देम बट दे शूड नॉट गो ऑन स्ट्रायक. हावेवर ते जर फाल्यां स्ट्रायकार गेले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता कदंबान GTDCन डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट, डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्युरिजमान आनी बाकीचे सगळे आमचे वेवस्थापन जे आसा आमी केल्ले आसा. आनी वी आर ऑल्सो गिवींग रिक्वेस्टिंग द प्रेस. ते प्रेस आमच्या वांगडा सद्दां आसतले टू गीव द नेम्स ऑफ ऑल द पीपल. आमी प्रेस नोट रिलीज करतले. आय कॅनॉट टेल कोण कोण आसा. एवरी प्लेस वी हॅव आयडेंटिफायड फॉर ट्युरिस्ट who are going to come to Goa, and if in case they are stranded because of any reason, we have made arrangements, given numbers of people of different locations, including our tourism agencies, including the bus stands. So these numbers I am circulating. We are going to have pickup points where if a tourist is become Khaitari Ulla, he will have to come at the closest point at wherever we are giving. And when 15, 20 or 25 people become, we will send a particular bus and pick them up from them to their desired destination. So I think we are making all arrangements. In case they go, police bandobast is also going to be there. And I feel that they should not do. These arrangements not only is done by Kadamba at different locations. I am very happy also to say that yellow black taxis are not joining them. They are also taxis. They also have to go to the same medium of.
I would just like to make some few comments. First of all, this strike is uncalled for. Uncalled for. They are saying that like the speed governors, like no, Nagamun. See, KTC also like no, being a government corporation, I mean speed governor gale am the busing and for other vehicles. And the speed governor is actually a central subject. So I think that it cannot be changed at all. Now here is the speed governors for commercial vehicles is a must. All the other commercial vehicles have put speed governors. So I fail to understand like why they are making such hue and cry for this for this point. Second is Goa is already getting a bad image on this taxi front. So even our request to the media is support this is not that after tourism what my colleague said is that this is the only income that is coming to us. We should not kill the golden goose. And then another thing is at the airport, the airport will be functioning totally. The airport taxi drivers have assured us, and I'm actually thankful to the government, to the Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar, and to my colleague Nilesh Kapral for settling the airport taxi issue. We used to always have the same problems like how we have now in the north and south. But then the airport issue has been settled. Second is one was the port areas. Even in the port areas, we are expecting a cruise ship on the 20th. So we are all ready for that. On behalf of KTC, we will be totally on standby. Our buses will be on standby. We have got 14 bus stands of ours, and we have got 4 major depots. And we have kept all our staff on standby. We will be coordinating with the GTDC. My MD is there and a full team is there. And I want to send a message that we are working hand in hand with the government and we are working hand in hand with the Department of Tourism. Before
17 months.
17.
GTC also has kept around 10 buses.
And one more message that we want to send is at the Kalangur and at the Kolwa, I think 2 kiosks will be identified by TTAG, and we will be coordinating from there.
It seems it is a peaceful protest what they are trying to do at the Azad Maidan and all.
No, see, I'm not saying peaceful. See, protest should be done, not at the cost of somebody else. See, today we are trying to help them by not bringing Uber type application. It's because we want them to earn. But if tomorrow this is going to be the system, then what is that? Then the competition should be open to everybody and anybody. Why only they should have? Why is it right or somebody? Anybody can do business anywhere. So why government has always been supporting, as MLA has also been supporting. Maybe I am the only fellow who is vocal, who is not all inclined. I have got with me, I will come at the right time. I have got receipts of people being given 8,000 rupees from Varka to Bicholi during the peak season. I have got evidences with me. I don't want to share that with you right now. I don't want to do all that nonsense. But I have got evidences, concrete evidences that people have been charged, overcharged. So I am not against my brothers. They majas bhav, म्हाका तांकां कांय डिस्टर्ब करपाचें ना. पूण तेणा अशी धमकी दिवन जर ट्युरिस्ट जर बिझनेस जर हांगा जर नांव एक स्टेटीचें एक डेस्टिनेशन जेन्ना आमी करपाक तयार केले, कितले त्रास पडले ते आमकां खबर आसा. आनी हें डेस्टिनेशन जर नांव पेड्यार करून करपाचें आहा तें परतून करपाक आमकां जावचें ना. आनी मागीर कोण ब्लेम करतले, जशें इल्लीगल मायनिंग करपाक कोणाक तरी गव्हर्मेंटाक कोणाक तरी मायनराक ब्लेम करतले जाल्यार ट्युरिजम डेस्टिनेशन बंद जावपाक कोणाक ब्लेम करपाचें? हांव म्हणना.